Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to start trading meme coins with just one Solana, even if you're a complete beginner. Yes, that's right, you don't need thousands of dollars to get started. Just one Solana is enough to learn to trade, grow and even make small daily profits. Before I continue, I want to let you know that you can now trade BNB meme coins on Axiom and Padre. Until now you could only trade BNB tokens on GMGN and Banana Gun, but Axiom and Padre have listened to their users and now they also added Binance Smart Chain meme coins to their platform. I think it's a good thing because BNB tokens have overtaken Solana tokens and people go where the money goes. I have links for Axiom and Padre in the description below, and if you use my invitation links you will get a nice discount on all your trading fees. Let's get started. Before you can start trading you need a safe Solana wallet. The most popular one is the Phantom wallet. It's very secure and beginner friendly. Download Phantom, install the Chrome browser extension, create your wallet, save the seed phrase and transfer some Solana to your wallet. If you don't already have some Solana, you can buy some from an exchange like Binance or Coinbase and send the Solana to your Phantom wallet. Transactions on Solana are super cheap and lightning fast, so they are perfect for meme coin scalping. Now that you have some Solana in your wallet, how do you find good meme coins to trade? A popular website to find meme coins on different blockchains like Solana, BNB, Base or Ethereum is DexScreener. You can set up filters to weed out most of the scam tokens, check the holders, the security of the coin and so on. If you find a good coin, copy the token address, paste it in your Solana wallet and you can buy the token with Solana. This is the simplest option to buy meme coins. However, if you are serious about trading meme coins, I recommend you to sign up for a real exchange like Axiom, Padre, Banana Gun or GMGN. These websites are fast and have an arsenal of tools to scan your meme coins, and if you want to sign up for one of them, feel free to use one of my invitation links in the description below. You will get a nice discount on your trading fees. If you are a beginner, I recommend that you look for coins with a minimum $100,000 market cap. Stay away from the new pairs because most of these new coins only last a few minutes and you will lose all your money in no time. I have different video tutorials on my channel where you can learn how to spot good meme coins, so watch them first before you start trading. Meme coins move fast and being early is key. If you find a good token, copy the token address and paste it in the RugCheck website to see if the token is a scam or not. Also make sure to verify if the liquidity is locked so you don't get rug pulled. If you only have one Solana in your wallet, to protect your account you will trade with only 0.1 Solana per trade, so you can make 10 different trades. Not all trades will work out for you, losses will happen. Don't let anyone tell you that they have a 100% win rate, it's impossible. Even the best meme coin traders are losing money. Focus on scalping and make small quick wins. Try to catch 10% profit moves, then sell your position. Scalping is all about making small profits over and over again. Watch my live scalping video to see how I make small gains. I also recommend that you keep a trading journal. This will help you more than you think. Write down each coin, each entry and exit price, profit or loss and what you have learned. You can use a Notion tracker or a Google Sheet to do it, whatever helps you to keep track of your trades and stay consistent. Here are some rookie mistakes that can cost you a lot of money. Don't ape into brand new tokens without checking them out first. Look at the market cap, the volume and the number of bundlers and holders. This is basic information for successful trading. You don't want to trade coins with low or zero liquidity because you will not be able to sell your position if there is not enough liquidity in the market. And you also should not FOMO. If a meme coin is already up 200%, you probably missed the entry. Just let it go. Don't get attached to a token if you make some profits. There are always other opportunities. Also, don't forget to set a stop loss to protect your capital. I like to place my stop loss at 30%. If it hits, I only lose 1/3 of my 0 sol and I move on. With only 1 sol, your goal isn't to make thousands of dollars overnight. Your goal is to learn, acknowledge certain patterns, build skill and grow your account slowly but steadily. Don't go all in a coin with your capital at once. We are not gambling here. If you can't control your emotions, you will not go far in this market. Small consistent profits compound faster than you think. It's also recommended to not copy trade other wallets. The people who own these wallets know that they are being tracked, so when they buy a token, the wallets that copy trade them also buy the token, making the price shoot up, and then the OG wallets sells, tanking the price, and all the copy traders get slammed. It's a bad thing to do and you will lose all your money in no time. You can follow smart wallets just to see what the narrative is and to see where the money is flowing. In my Discord server you can download a list of insider wallets that you can copy and paste in your Axiom or Padre wallet tracker. Once you're confident and become profitable, you can scale up and trade with 0.2 Solana. It's also a good idea to join a Discord trading group where you trade with other people or ask questions about something that you are struggling with. You will not only learn from other experienced traders, but also find out which coins are going to pump. One of the best known groups is Potion, but there are other good and free trading groups out there. Just do a search on Google to find them. I have an invitation link in the description below if you are interested in joining Potion. Here's a quick recap of my simple scalping rule. Avoid trading brand new coins. They are too risky. Aim for 10 or 20% profit per trade. Cut your losses at 30% and don't get emotional. Focus on high volume meme coins with enough liquidity. Don't copy trade wallets from other people. And finally, join a trading group where you can interact with other traders. Watch out from insider tips on X or Twitter and Telegram, and always do your own research. These tips will help you stay disciplined and avoid emotional decisions, which is something that most beginners struggle with. This is how you can trade meme coins with a small account. Remember, the key isn't how much you start with, it's how consistently you trade. If you found this video helpful, share it with a friend, leave a like and subscribe to the channel to get my latest videos first. Thanks again for watching and see you in the next one.